Hey everyone, it's Tremo46 here. Today I'm going to showing my custom-made trains. Today I'll start off with the shooting star. Yeah, I did lots of designs on him. And yeah, I did the back, on the front of the tender, the streamlining boards. And so that's it. And now it's James, and I'm really sorry that I didn't show that all my custom made trains in my video. I'm sorry, guys. So, anyways, here's James. Got the white running board in the front and the back. Well, the number's peeling away, so yeah. The back, front, the back of the front, the back of James. And from this tender. Yeah, so that's James. Now here's Toby. Instagram. I decided to do their buffers. The buffers, the front coupling, the lamp, the back lamp. Yes, so that's Toby. And here's Edward. The same thing on James and the shooting star. Yes, so I was planning to give him a lamp, but it didn't work. It failed. Yeah, so I colored in the handbands right here. I only had white paint, so I'm sorry. Yeah, so that's Edward. Same buffers. And here's Ryan. Yeah, I put a purple wheels on him last year, but it started to peel away by water. So the running board is white now. So so the back lamp, and yeah, so that's Ryan. And here's Lightning Bolt Thomas. Yeah, this is my favorite one. This is my favorite Thomas. Yeah, so he's got the running board white, some buffers colored in. In order, the back to the buffers, handrail. Yeah, so that's Thomas, Lightning Bolt Thomas, I should say. And here's Mike, the Osdale. Yeah, so right board right, and his tender, same thing with the others. Yeah, I wanted to cut the buffers off, but I couldn't, because that would be a big problem. The only thing I could do is just color the buffers myself. Yes, so that's Mike, and I colored his lap too. Right, here's Henry. Here's Henry. Yep, and there's his front. And yeah, it's white. The handles are white too. And yeah, so the color of the trains are peeling away really easily. Yeah, so I don't know why though, but yeah, so yeah, I'll see what I can do to fix it. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, now here's Gordon. The same thing, running board, the buffers, the coupling, black. Now the cab and the tender, black too, and the back of Gordon's buffer beam. Yeah, black, and I did the back. So here's Percy. Yes, so yeah, I had to recolor the window and the door, and I also had to recolor the top roof. And I did a terrible job on the front though. There's some paint trying to fell on Percy's buffer beam. Try to color in here. That failed. And the pistons here, or something like that, is peeling away. Yeah, so it's a terrible design. I'm sorry. Now here's Hero. yeah, so colored in his coupling rods and colored in his buffers, the coupling, and I added some red paint to buffer beam, and then my last engine, Samson. Yes, so his running board's white, and some of the red is still seen, but it's getting chipped a lot. But it's fine. I covered all the stuff here. Didn't do a good job though. And I put in a black mark on his lamp to see it was off. Yeah, so that's all my custom made trains, guys. If you like them, leave a comment, subscribe, or leave a comment. So, bye guys.